Hello freedom traders, I'm back again with another valuetainment. Here again we go as usual. We do backtesting, we prove and work on our strategy, which is mine for now. You can actually make your own strategy, you can create your own strategy and follow the same ways I do practice and apply them. They will still work as you see them work on all the videos I put up here on my channel. So there are no tricks involved, there is nothing. It's just pure trading, and we trade as it was some years back or some time back, and that's exactly how the market works. Every result we have, it's exactly the same as it was supposed to be at that same time. So right now I'm clearing some, because it's the first thing you have to do whenever you come on the chart. You clear your previous analysis, because the way you saw the market that day is not the same way you're gonna see the market now. And of course things gonna change. The market changes, but what remains are the patterns. The patterns do not change. The patterns only alternate, but they don't change. So we will still have demand and supply. We will still ever have doji candles. We will still ever have engulfing candles. We will always have the moving average market trading above uptrend, and below it will still ever be the same. So it's up to us. The market will always go either up or down. Worst cases, consolidate, and when it consolidates, it's still a good trend. If it's consolidating at the higher time frame, you go down to the lower time frame, you're still gonna find trading opportunities. So let's dive straight into the video. This is 2007. Let's go down to 2006. Oh yeah, 2006, it's okay. And that is GBP USD, the second most traded pair on the forex market. So let's go down to the daily, and first thing as usual, guys, make sure you like the video, you subscribe, so that you get more of this, and you click the notification button. So this now is the structure. You pay little or more attention to the structure. We are on an uptrend. Sometimes the market will not even mind reaching here, so but at least we're still gonna have an uptrend. This was the first level. This is, we're gonna put it here and not here, not here. We put it here because the market, as you can see, it's still breaking through. It's still breaking through this this level. So we'll use that aspect to analyze and know if the market will continue to go up or down. So as we all know, if the market is coming back, it will hit here no matter what. It's gonna hit here before either breaking down here or continuously going up back. So that is why this level is very important for take profit. When the market reaches at this other level of resistance and it has to come back, it will break, it will hit this support always. So the next next levels, the next highest level is this one. Yeah, I think this should be enough. Yeah, it should be enough. If it breaks, then we're gonna look for more higher levels, and right now they seem not to be, but it's okay. So No big words, just simple trading, guys. Simple and common sense applied strategy that works, not the type of strategy that do not work. It works, this one. So, and proof is, we're gonna do it right now and see. So this is a good indication that the market is going to continue up, but it's not confirmed. So here was already a good sign. It started from here, by the way. It started from here, then gave us this again, then gave us this. This is pure and complete confirmations. So all of these, when you see them, those are indications that the market is going up. No matter what, the market is going up. This is always the confirmation. So if we had joined earlier, we would put our buy stop here and take profit at this level. Anyways, so we joined late, the market had already broken. All we can do is look for a next entry. So that is another kind of confirmation that the market is going up, but I will need more of that before I place a buy position, because the next level is just very near. And at this point, usually if we have to look at the structure, the market usually comes back and reach even at this level before going back up. Yeah. See. Okay. So I know the market is coming down here, but I need a sell confirmation. I need something to confirm to me that, hey, the market is coming down. I will not just obviously I could enter here and allow and watch whatever happens, but I always want to follow my strategy, my principles. My principles as I get a signal, then I get a confirmation, or a confirmation entry, or a confirmation to enter, and it's always this kind of candle. It's always this kind of candle. So for the sell, it's either this one or a hammer or an inverted hammer. So here we can, this is a little one, not a very full confirmed inverted hammer, but since we had it already in mind that the market is coming down, we can use that one for now, knowing that we might lose because the market might probably wanna go up here a bit or give us a signal around this area before plunging right down here. So let's see, guys. Okay, as I said, we might want to go up before coming down, and already we are being hit already out. We are already out. That was a hurry, like I was not supposed to enter the trade at the time, but because I didn't find my confirmation as I showed here, and as I indicated, the market might still go up before plunging down, and yet it has gone up already. I haven't found any indication that it's gonna come down, but let's see. Yeah, there hasn't been any indication that the market is going to come down. So instead we are having a buy signal here. So this was so early, it's a loss already. And for those of you who've been following me, you will understand that I have 3 trades always. The first trade usually is a loss because you get in with a lot of anxiety, since I won, because usually with my strategy, the 3 trades, I will always miss the first one, I will get the rest too. So getting in the next trade, I'm cocky. Even if it's the next day or the next week, I'm still cocky. I still believe, hey, the market is gonna move according to how I want. And that's why my first trades are always in a hurry. I actually said here that this is a little and not a confirmed entry, and I actually indicated that market is going to go up before coming down. But even if it's going up, we still have to look for an entry. We don't just gonna say, okay, the market is up now and then let's sell. No, we still have to look for a confirmation entry, which has not happened yet since the market reached this level. And this was an indication. This candle, by the way, was a buy indication. But I still think the market will still come down before going right up. So let's go, guys. See, that's what I was saying. So that's it, guys. Yeah, that's it. At this point now, it might kind of just end here if it's gonna continue to go up, or if it breaks here, then we'll be expecting here. So really, it didn't give me my kind of entry confirmation here. It just happened. So what I could do very early, as I was saying, that when the market reaches here, it will always come and reach here. At that time, price was at this level. At this point, I could have just entered here, then put my stop loss above here. Usually the market will come and kick out all the stop losses at this area, but I could just keep it. Then if the market kicks it out, I still re-enter, because already I know when the market reaches here, it will hit here before either going up or just breaking down and continuously going down. So as you can see from my candles indication, it's exactly what happened. So that is one thing also that happens to most of us traders. You actually understand the market, but execution is key. Execution is the issue, is the very big problem, because right now the market actually did as I said, but my execution was wrong. My execution was completely wrong, and the market ended up going in my direction, but me not being in the market because I got kicked out. And it happens. If you are a trader, you know that this happens all the time, all the time. Yeah, so this is a good lesson that we are learning today. Even me, I'm also confirming one of my mistakes again that I do on live on my live account. So as I said, if it doesn't touch here, it means it's gonna go right up back. So okay, guys, this one, by the way. So now, since it didn't touch yet, we're not gonna remove this one. We will just maintain this. I didn't see any reason to buy here, that's why I didn't buy. So the market is actually not presenting my candlesticks, because right now I'm focusing more on the candle sticks, because for the levels are there already. So I'm looking for candlesticks to execute. So this is the first one that is giving me a sell, and it's giving me a sell at the wrong place, completely wrong place. And Well, I'm still gonna see if it's still gonna be another mistake or not. But let's see, guys. I know obviously it's not gonna come right down here, but if it's gonna come right down here, then it will hit here. Remember, sometimes even though it doesn't hit, no matter how it goes up, it still comes back and hit, because it was supposed to hit this level. It's always like that, guys. So if we get this right, then we'll recover from this loss from here. Okay, wow, that was a sniper, guys. That was a sniper entry. We've already recovered, and we are good, guys. This was wow. uh, when it happens like this, I'm happy because it actually confirms that the hard work pays off. Yeah, that the hard work, it pays off. So what happens now is, at this time, when what happened here, you will not even, maybe you will not even be around to look, to find this trade again, to enter. Yeah, 100% you will not be around again. Why? Because your mind is already, your psychology is already messed up at this area, because of you uh, missing out. Yeah, actually knowing that the market is going to come down, but you missed out, you get fucked up and you lose again. So now you either trying to revenge trading, you just be doing everything anyhow without actually taking your time to calm down and understand that there is another next opportunity coming. The market is not going anywhere. So we did exactly what we are supposed to do. We chilled. We know that, okay, we've lost money, but there is another opportunity that's going to present itself, and it did, and we took it. We are in profit. Got back our loss, and we are in profit. So when the market gives, as I said, guys, when it comes back, obviously if it hits here, it's gonna hit here because it had to touch this level. As I said, remember I told you guys that when the market comes back, it must hit this level. So though it came reach here, didn't hit, went back, it still has to hit here. That is how funny the market works, and it's a good thing for us because it helps us believe in our strategies. So let's see. I would go out here because already this is a good trade. Like if it was on the, really, if you were trading on a daily, having the market go towards your direction for 1, 2, 3, 4 days, it's crazy. It's really crazy, guys. So on the fourth day, I will definitely get out. Yeah, I will definitely get out, and this is already like a 200 pips. I will definitely get out and then observe what the market is going to do. Why I will get out? Because it gave me this candle here, guys. It's a reversal. It's a kind of reversal candle. Yeah, but the market might still want to come down here. As I said, it still has to hit. So you can get out like 80% and leave 200%, and kind of put your stop loss. You bring down your stop loss and put here. Yeah. So you put your, you get out 80%, 20%, you put your stop loss there, so that even if you get locked out, you still be locked, you will still be kicked out in profit. So you just want to benefit from the chance that the market might come right down and hit here. So that's it, guys. So it didn't hit because, as I said, this was a reversal candle, and it was saying, hey, the market is going back up. And this time around, since it didn't just reach even at this point, it might want to really go up now. So as I say, we wait for signals. I waited all this while. I didn't put a buy here because I didn't see any signal as I saw this one here. So I didn't put a signal here because I still thought of the market coming right down. So it did not. This is already late because the market is exhausted. I might want to wait for the market to come back. If it had to, then give me a buy signal here, then I buy. But right now I missed it already. It's exhausted. I'm in profit already, and that's good. Yeah. So guys, this is what happened. This is what happened. Let me say something here. So uh, remember I was telling you, whatever the case, it really wanna hit here. But okay, we already got out here. We left 20% of our total trading, uh, uh, like of our trades, yeah, of our live running trades. We left at 20%, and it got kicked out in profit here. Um, but I couldn't put a buy. As I said, I could put a buy here, but it's late already because the market is exhausted. The buy is exhausted, that's why I didn't put a buy. And then the market gave me this one. It gave this one. So this is another sell signal. And why will I sell here? For the same reason I told you, that the market, when it comes down, it must hit here. That is the reason why I will sell. And it's more risky because the stop loss is very huge and it's a new trade. So I could still hold. I could still hold right the one I enter right from here, but I prefer to always be out when I'm in profit. And having 4 long days in profit is really good. So it's not a bad thing. It's not a bad thing. I can still enter just 20%. The same 20% I got kicked out here, I can still risk it again, knowing that the market is gonna come and hit here. That's it, guys. Wow. That's it. It can never be this better, guys. It can never be this better. This is something we have to take notes. um, Even I myself, I'm going to save this video and rewatch it later because it's so inspiring. It's actually uh, educational for me also, because it confirms the work I've been doing. It says, hey, what you've been doing is correct, so keep on doing the same thing. So exactly, it did hit as I said. If you still rewind from the beginning, you see, as I said, when you reach here, it's gonna end up hitting here. When you reach here and went up, I said, no, I know even though it didn't touch here, it's still gonna touch here. So we will not regret the fact that we didn't hold right from here to here. We will not regret the fact, because we are still in profit and we ended up still in profit. So thank you guys, and see you again next time. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.